Research shows that customers say buying cough syrup is more difficult than buying pain relief or cold and flu tablets. So pharmacy staff have a vital role in terms of tailoring treatment to the symptoms that their customers have got. A dry, tickly cough is caused by irritation and inflammation in the throat and the very upper airways. No mucus is being produced. So a dry, tickly cough mixture contains a demulcent that can soothe the inside of the throat and the very upper airways, and therefore reduce the inflammation. It can also, of course, help to relieve the sore throat that's caused by all that dry, hacking coughing. A chesty cough is caused by production of mucus. It will often sound rattly and the patient will be bringing up sputum. Clearly, we need to be aware of the warning symptoms that might suggest pneumonia, bronchitis, such as shortness of breath, wheeze, coughing up blood, a sharp stabbing chest pain when you breathe. But other than that, patients can be advised about an expectorant cough mixture, which will help them to bring up the mucus, thereby relieving the congestion and giving them relief from their symptoms.